BlazeDoom here, Playz here, and today's not going to be a gaming video. We are going to be solving the Rubik's Cube. Now, there are other methods on this that might be similar to mine, but this is just the way I learned how to solve the cube. So, we're going to be solving the cube in like this. First, you're going to start with a daisy. Then you're going to have upside down T's, like this. Next, you're going to have 2 layers. Then you're going to have a yellow cross. Then the middle solved. Then the cube solved. Okay, let's start getting into the tutorial. But first, you need to scramble your cube. Let's just give it a quick scramble. Now we've scrambled the cube. Okay, so the first step you have to do is make a daisy. So you're going to take the white edges and bring them up around the yellow pieces. So there's going to be one there, 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 and there. So let's do that. Okay, so now we have a daisy. Next step is you're going to see what's on the other side of the white piece. In this case, it's a red. So you're going to find what color you have and see where the centerpiece is. So the red centerpiece is right here. So we're going to spin this red piece all the way over to till it gets to the red middle, and you're going to do a 180 turn so it matches up with the white centerpiece. And so you're going to repeat these steps. Okay. So now you should have a white cross and the middle and edges lined up. Now you're going to look for the corner piece, the white corner pieces, like this, and you're going to find the 2 colors. So this one has red and blue. We're ignoring the white. So you find the red and blue centerpieces, and then you put it in the middle, red and blue. So then I'm going to do these 3 steps. Right up, top left, right down. Now we've inserted the white corner piece. Next, we're just gonna do that again. So we find green and red, and here green and red, and then we do it on the left hand side this time, which is left up, top right, left down. Okay, so if the white corner is actually on the top, we are going to do something a little different, but it's pretty much the same. We're going to find the 2 centers, mine are orange and blue, and we are going to do the right algorithm this time. So top right, right up, top left, right down, top right. And then we're just going to repeat that. Right up, top left, right down, top right. One more time. Right up, top right, left, right down, and oh, it's good. Okay. So then we just have a regular case. Right up, top left, right down, and yeah. Okay. Now you have the upside down T's. So now we have to look for middle pieces like this, 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 and this. And so what we're going to do with these is you line this color up with the middle, so like this orange lines up with the orange, and then you see the top piece. My top piece is green, and the green centerpiece is to the left. So we're going to turn the top to the right. Then we're going to do these sets of moves. Left up, top right, left down, top right. And then we turn the cube to where the other color from the top was, which is green, so we turn it like this. Right up, top left, right down, and there. We've inserted the centerpiece, the middle piece. And so we're just going to do that with the others. You see the red, and it's lined up with the red, and the green's to the right of it. So you turn it left, and you do right up, top left, right down, left, top left. Then you turn it to the side. This time it's green. Left up, top right, left down, and we've inserted it again. So you're just going to keep on doing that till you have all these middles right. Okay, so now we have all the middle pieces solved. So now what we're going to do is make a yellow cross. Right now I only have a line, but we can still make it a yellow cross. So in my case, when you have a line, you're not going to put it like this. You're going to put the line horizontally. So now you're going to do these sets of moves. So first you have to turn the front clockwise, and then you're going to do that right algorithm. Right up, top left, right down, top left. And then you're going to put the front back where it was. Now I have a yellow cross. So, say you only had an L. Then you would just do that, but you would have to repeat it twice. And if you didn't have any of those circumstances, then you would just do it until you find one of them, and then you'd know what to do. Okay, now we have to work with the middles, right here. We gotta get these all lined up. So I'm lucky, and I already have 2 lined up. So when this happens, you see the 2, you put one on the right and one on the back, and you're going to do these moves. Right up, top left, right down, top left again, right up, top 180, right. Okay, so now we spin it, and we have all the middle pieces aligned, which is a good thing. Okay, so if you didn't have any of these aligned, you would just do those moves, and you would get them aligned once you did the back and right thing. Okay, so now we're going to get the corners aligned, which is something I forgot to show you in the steps. So to get the corners aligned, you're going to find a corner that is correct in the correct spot. So in the correct spot doesn't necessarily mean this, but I don't have any right now. A correct spot would be like if this was green and red, but this is green and orange, if you can tell from the camera lighting. So since I don't have any, we're just going to do it on the correct piece, and you're going to put the correct piece on the right. So if this was correct, that'd be on the right, and okay. So this one, you're going to do top left, right up, top right, left up, and then just bringing it down this time. Top left, right down, top right, left down. So now my pieces are in the correct positions. And if that didn't happen for you the first time, then just keep on doing it, and it should eventually happen. by putting the correct pieces on the top right. So now, when our pieces are in the correct spot, you're going to face the yellow side to you, and you're going to do these moves until the yellow piece in the corner solves. I'll show you what I mean. So, you're going to do this. Top left, right down, top right, right up. Now I'm going to do it again. Top left, right down, top right, left up. And now this yellow corner is solved. Ignore all this stuff back here because this is not solved. So, now this is a very important step. Do not turn the cube like this because that'll mess it up. You need to turn the front so it was right where you did the other one. Okay, so now we have it in the correct positioning for the moves. So we're going to do this again. Top left, right down, top right, left up. 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 And now, as you can see, it's a simple Rubik's Cube solve. Just turning it 180 degrees. So, there you go, guys. We've solved the Rubik's Cube. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful. And if you did enjoy this, please make sure to like and even maybe subscribe and comment if you thought this tutorial was helpful. But I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.